Enter Bollywood. Wanna catch all the excitement of Bollywood? Just log on to zoomtv.in.
Seems like the derby and the race course, it's all become really popular amongst the page 3 circuit. आपको क्या लगता है इसके बारे में?
Yes, I feel it has made a comeback. Like अगर थोड़े साल पहले देखो तो वहाँ पे सिर्फ you saw just old fat lechy men just punting away and gambling, and एक आध कहीं actress आ गई रैंप पर, वहाँ पर कोई छोटा सा शो हो गया तो they would just get excited. But थोड़े साल पहले it was there, like women would dress up and everything, and then suddenly it just disappeared and you only saw lecherous old boring, fat, ugly men there, But I think now Vivek Jain has brought about a big change, especially in the Bombay race course. And, अगर आप derbies को देख रही हैं यहाँ पर, there is a lot of glamour involved, film stars are getting involved, movies की tie-ups हो रही हैं, there are so many fashion shows and designers getting involved. मुझे लग रहा है कि यहाँ काफी glamorize हो चुका है. So it's no longer only about punting and only about glamour. And जैसे कि you will hear Padmanabhan, he's the champion trainer, for horses. He will explain to you why this change has come about. But if you look back in time, Shagun, when Feroz Khan was young and all that, there was a lot of glamour attached, and he was, in Bangalore. He himself was a stud, on the stud farm. And then it all died. But, I think the best people to talk about this are the ones who are the experts on the race course, whether it's Pessi Shroff, the jockey, who never talks to the press, or it's Paddy, जिनको प्यार से Paddy कहते हैं, उनकी बात सुनते हैं.
बताइए विवेक, पहले यहाँ पर सिर्फ पंटिंग एंड बैटिंग हुआ करती थी एंड बहुत ही बोरिंग कॉन्सेप्ट समझा जाता था, और आजकल इतना ग्लैमर आ चुका है और आपने इतना इसे एलीट जैसे इवेंट बना दिया है. हाउ डिड यू मैनेज टू डू दैट इन द लास्ट वेरी फ्यू इयर्स?
Over the last few years, we saw that the attendances were slipping and people said you're running a dying sport. So we had to do something very different. And one way was to bring a touch of glamour, to bring a touch of fun to our race days. So if you notice, every Sunday we do something different. Either we have a fashion show or a brunch or entertainment. Today we have international dancers. And we found that the attendances are going up and the media has become more attentive to the sport.